Unsettling information was lately released by the Shiba Inu whale alert. Hundreds of billions were destroyed. Perhaps the most significant event in the history of cryptocurrency is Donald Trump's actions. The future of the cryptocurrency industry could be determined tonight, thus everyone is currently holding their breath. You cannot afford to miss this critical video. Let's get right to the point without further ado. Warning, Something disturbing has surfaced today. You ask, why? Well, Shiba Inu might be in deep trouble. Its high transaction volume has significantly decreased, as we have observed. Whale Shiba transaction volume has dropped below 500 billion in the past day and is currently little over 365 billion, according to on-chain data. Significant liquidity problems and maybe a price reversal in the near future could result from this decrease. The quantity of big transactions has also fallen to a 7-day low, which exacerbates the situation. Compared to the 7-day high of 75 transactions we witnessed last week, only 15 transactions were registered. A warning sign is this decline in big transactions. Whale activity, which can have a significant impact on the market, is usually indicated by large transactions. A decline in these transactions indicates that major participants are retreating, either as a result of a change in market mood or a lack of confidence. Reduced liquidity from this kind of shift could make it more difficult to purchase or sell big quantities of Shiba without affecting the price. If this pattern persists, Shiba's price may drop even more, which would have an impact on the dynamics of the market as a whole. Price charts also show that Shiba's price activity has created a descending wedge formation, indicating possible difficulties down the road. If the price breaks above the upper trend line, this pattern frequently indicates the possibility of volatility and, more often than not, a bullish breakout. Shiba's current circumstances, however, present a more nuanced picture. Key moving averages serve as resistance levels, and the price has been consolidating while attempting to break above them. Many people think that the market as a whole is basically waiting for Bitcoin in this unpredictable environment. Bitcoin is approaching its previous all-time high, and many believe that the market won't see any significant swings until it breaches this high. What does this signify for Shiba Inu then? The cryptocurrency market may experience a surge in buying if Bitcoin is able to surpass its all-time high. Shiba may be able to recover from its present decline and see favorable price movement as a result of this increase. We might still see pressure on Shiba's price, though, if Bitcoin fails to make a breakthrough or undergoes a major drop. The next several days are thought to be critical. We may anticipate a bullish breakout for Shiba Inu if Bitcoin demonstrates strength and surpasses its previous high, particularly if it is able to rise above its important moving averages. Conversely, Shiba may continue to decline and trade at the lower limit of its declining wedge if Bitcoin falters. Investors should closely monitor Bitcoin's performance because it will probably influence Shiba and the market as a whole in the foreseeable future. The fact that Donald Trump spoke at a major Bitcoin conference yesterday only served to heighten the frenzy. An enthusiastic user on X wrote, "This is exactly what we needed, with everything in alignment. A buy signal for Bitcoin has just surfaced on the weekly time frame. Very important. What a wonderful moment to be alive." This chart demonstrates how the conference affected the market price and overall movement of Bitcoin. High-profile individuals' attendance and the excitement around such events can influence market sentiment, raising prices and fostering a bullish environment. In the future, Bitcoin may surpass its previous all-time high and create new records if this optimistic outlook holds true. Shiba Inu and the entire cryptocurrency market would probably be impacted by this. Even while the current indicators seem encouraging, it's important to exercise caution and keep an eye on how things develop over the next few weeks, because the cryptocurrency market is infamously volatile. It's crucial to keep in mind the close relationship between Shiba Inu and Bitcoin's price, even with this bullish prognosis for the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin frequently sets the tone for the whole cryptocurrency market, including Shiba Inu. When it makes big changes, Shiba Inu may be able to recover from its present decline and begin a bull run as we watch Bitcoin, perhaps break its all-time high and create positive momentum. What can we anticipate next, considering that? Some interesting findings regarding the recent performance of Bitcoin have been posted by a user on X. They emphasized the changes in market mood and the price of Bitcoin during and after Trump's speech. With a pessimistic perspective, the price first stayed about $67,000, but it then jumped to $69,000, igniting a frenzy. But as it started to decline again, the pessimistic outlook reappeared. This demonstrates the strong relationship between price changes and people's confidence. The user underlined that although the story is important, sentiment is influenced by the cost. They recommended that we allow it time to develop because it takes time for conventional financial flows to adapt to such news. This viewpoint is especially pertinent to Shiba Inus. Similar to Bitcoin, market events and trends can have a significant impact on Shiba's price and mood. The price of Shiba Inu may rise if Bitcoin gains bullish momentum, which might result in a resurgence of interest and confidence in the breed. Additionally, the user alluded to a stable atmosphere that might serve as a buffer for cryptocurrency in general, with little likelihood of unfavorable headlines from the current administration. Shiba Inu may profit from riding the good sentiment if Bitcoin does well, and based on what we've witnessed, it appears plausible that a significant rally may be imminent. Shiba Inu has recently had a downturn, falling more than 4% over the last 2 weeks and more than 3% over the last week. Nonetheless, a potential trend reversal is being predicted by certain analysts. Since early April, Shiba has been trading in a descending channel with lower highs and lower lows, indicating a bearish trend, according to an ex-chartist. He located a resistance zone at 445 and a strong support zone at about 410. Shiba's approach to the falling support line, which has traditionally resulted in price bounces, is crucial in this situation. This may indicate that Shiba is at a turning stage where a recovery is possible, raising the prospect of a bullish shift soon. According to this research, Shiba may initiate a major rally toward the 438 target if it is able to break above both the declining resistance line and the 50-day moving average. Reaching that goal would be a remarkable 120% rise over Shiba's current market price. For investors, this possible spike is encouraging because it shows that, under the correct circumstances, Shiba Inu may see a robust comeback. Data from Sentiment indicates a noticeable rise in the number of Shiba Inu owners over time, reaching a peak in late April, which supports this optimistic outlook. The number of holders has stayed comparatively constant throughout price swings, suggesting that the investor community continues to show interest in and confidence in Shiba. This consistency suggests a solid foundation of long-term investors, which bodes well for Shiba's prospects. The price volatility we have observed is consistent with the identified descending channel, even during price drops. The number of holdings has recently stabilized, which may provide a strong basis for a future price recovery. However, what do you think about that? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Make sure to click on one of the videos that appears on the screen if you want to learn more. Consequently, this concludes the video. In order to help me with the YouTube algorithm, if you liked the video, please remember to leave a comment in the comment area. Additionally, please spread the word about this video to as many people as you can. Let's spread the word